Yeah. Welcome. I saw your resume. Now, in the resume, yeah. Can you tell about yourself? आपका बारे में आप बता सकते हैं?
So my name is Ayush Sahai.
हाँ.
I have 9 years of banking experience. Presently, I am branch manager in CLERKS Small Finance Bank.
Yeah. Branch manager in that too a very holy place, Varanasi. You are living in
Yes, sir.
Varanasi. It's a very holy place.
Yes,
Good.
sir.
Good. You are married?
Yes, sir. I'm married.
How many kids do you have?
Sir, I have one daughter.
But how old is she?
3 years.
3 years. Acha. Your wife is working?
Yes, sir. She is working.
Where?
She's in UP government job as a lekpal.
UP government job. Very good. Now you are applying for Bank of Maharashtra.
Yes, sir.
Is it that you want posting only in UP?
No, sir. For all location, I am open.
How will you manage a new posting? Say, your wife working in Uttar Pradesh, you are being posted to Maharashtra. How it will suit you?
Sir, presently she has 3 years of leave. She can take as for child care. That
Oh, that facility is there. Very good. I understand. No, this question definitely they will ask you because you are already working as a manager in, and first time I am seeing a resume where a person left one bank and again rejoining that bank.
Yes, sir.
ये कैसे हुआ? क्यों हुआ? क्या हुआ?
Sir,
like some शोले movie dialogue कम अभी होता है. क्यों हुआ? कैसे हुआ? बोलो ना.
Sir, in 2016, I joined Utkarsh Bank as a branch operation manager. And after 2.5 years, I left to IDFC for the better opportunity I got there.
How much percentage increase you got on account of jump?
And that was around 20%.
Achha. Now, when you jumped from IDFC to Utkarsh, how much did they offer you more?
Actually, that so I came back to Utkarsh not for jump but for the profile. They were offering me branch manager. Last I was branch operation manager there, and my performance was good over there.
What was their salary increase? No, 1 minute. 1 minute. Just a minute. Hello.
Hello, sir. How is sir?
Fine. Who is speaking?
Sir, this is Vijay Sastane, sir. Hope I am not disturbing you at this.
I am in interview now. Boliye, you are talking regarding what?
Sir, 4-5 days back, we spoke about the ECGCPO. Hope you remember.
ECGCPO. Yeah, I remember. हम आपको बाद में कॉल करेंगे जब हम फ्री होगा बात करेंगे. Thank you. Yeah, I was just asking you because this question comes to find out, are you a person who will be shifting from one to another like this? Because number 1, 2, 3, 4, next is 5. How can we believe you will be continuing with Bank of Maharashtra?
Sir, actually, if you will see my resume, it's not that I am switching to 1, 2, and 3. It's that my previous organization, I am going back on a higher role because my supervisor has confidence in me that I will, on the higher role also, I will be doing good. And my previous experience, my appraisal was very good. I was rated good. So I believe if I join Bank of Maharashtra, I will be doing good. My performance will be good over.
What is the pay packet you are now getting? Will there be increase when you jump to Bank of Maharashtra? I think you may be getting somewhere around 86,000.
I am getting around 70, but the basic salary which I am getting over here is half of what Bank of Maharashtra is offering. So the
Hmm.
retirement benefit is good.
Oh, salary
And
will increase. So you just you can say that there will be salary increase. 70, 16% means roughly 20% increase will be there. Yeah, the reason, the first and foremost question you will be facing is, why do you want to jump? You have to tell the reason. The reason for jump is, number one, my career prospects in this Bank of Maharashtra will be better than what it is in Utkarsh Small Finance Bank. And there will be a salary increase of about 20% also. And it is an all India posting where I may get a better exposure and better career growth.
yes,
ऐसा कॉन्फिडेंटली बताना है.
yes, yes.
जितना कॉन्फिडेंस से आप बात कर रहे हैं उसका बारे में आपको डिटरमिन होगा. इट शुड नॉट बी एज इफ यू आर टॉकिंग आउट ऑफ प्राउडनेस, बट एज अ मैटर ऑफ फैक्ट आप कम्युनिकेट करना. ठीक है, बिकॉज आई थिंक if I go by the number of candidates appearing for Bank of Maharashtra interview, your age is, what is your age now?
32.
Acha, up to what is the maximum age they have allowed? 33.
For scale 2, it is 35.
Scale 2, it is 35. Acha, acha. Then it's okay. But majority, we get candidates from ICICI, Axis Bank, then HDFC Bank with 4 or 5 years service joining. They may be around 27, 28. So
Yes, sir.
that is a thing. And why did you not study CAIB?
Sir, I have failed this time CIIB. I attempted last, but unfortunately, I didn't clear that.
Good, good. This is a good answer. You tried, but which subject you could not pass?
Sir, ABM, Advanced Bank Management.
Oh, advanced banking, bank management. What are the points or topics you study under advanced bank management?
Sir, right now I am unable to recall that.
थोड़ा prepare कर दीजिए, because that and this bank management is same. Now, supposing you are now in your Utkarsh Small Finance Bank, after your joining, how much growth has been there?
At present, this is going to be my first appraisal. I have served here first. This is my first year over here. So I completed my career.
No, but your answer is not direct answer. Did you understand my question? My question was, you have joined Utkarsh Small Finance Bank as branch manager in April 21. Since then, right now, we are now in April 22. So what is the progress in business position?
Sir, when I took over here, my branch GL was 13 crores. And at present it is 21 crores. So
what is 13 crores?
13 crores of CASA.
CASA. Acha, acha. In small finance bank, you can even accept fixed deposits, na?
Yes, yes, we can accept fixed deposits, open saving account, current account.
Acha. Do you have first time I'm coming across a branch manager in small finance bank? So let me know something more about small finance bank. So do you give loans like our other commercial banks, like overdraft and all that?
Yes, sir. We have the MSME section in which we are giving ODs.
Acha, acha.
Working.
Very good. So why are you separating CASA only and telling? Is it that your fixed deposit has not grown?
No, it's fixed deposits plus CASA. Means the 8 crore growth is of fixed deposits plus CASA.
Very good. Say like that. My deposits are normally in banks, we say deposits only, advance only. So you say deposits has grown by this much, out of which considerable increase in CASA, whatever it is, you can say. Then what about advances?
Advances book is of my around 13 crores total.
पहले था,
So
पहले कितना था?
when I joined, it was around 4 crores only.
Only.
Yes.
एक कैसे इतना बड़ा इंक्रीज कैसे हुआ? क्या किया आपने?
This is actually this is a new branch, 2-year-old branch only.
Hmm.
So this product got started 6 months before.
Was it any deposits? What was it? Any account transferred from some other branch to your branch?
No account transfer.
And new proposals were taken up by you and given.
Yeah, new proposal.
What is the major type of advances you are giving? Major, say out of your 13 crore advances, which type of advances are more?
These 13 crores is total working capital OD. We are giving at my branch only ODs at present.
Acha. OD, overdraft. That is, who are the major parties? Are they manufacturing or traders?
They are traders.
Traders. Acha, Varanasi mein traders. Who that is textile traders?
Mainly retail shops are there in my market.
Correct. Retail shops. Good. Very good. So good. Do you follow all the regulations, like say taking proper documentation, then exhibiting name board of the bank in the shops? ये सब कर सकते हैं आप लोग, or people don't allow it?
Sir, I didn't got this question.
No. I am asking, are you exhibiting your bank's name board in the shops? For when the goods are hypothecated to you, आप अपना बोर्ड को उधर डालना है ना, goods in this.
That we can do, sir. We are doing it.
अच्छा. Inspection के लिए कैसे कर रहे हैं? How many parties are there like that, and at what intervals are you able to get inspection done?
Sir, inspection is getting done at 6 months, means half yearly basis.
Oh, क्यों? Why can't you do it once in 2 months, 1 month and all? Because as per rules, we are supposed to do it every month. Correct? Do you agree that it should be done every year, every month?
Actually, sir, amount wise it is decided that for loans up to 10 lakhs we are doing it 6 monthly.
अच्छा. ऐसा कुछ नहीं. Very good. But probably you are concentrating on big advances where you visit probably at early intervals also. Correct? You tell like that. You tell like that. In respect of advances over 10 lakhs and all, we try to go every month. How many officers are there in your office?
In Varanasi?
No.
In Varanasi, we have 5 branches.
No, officers. How many of you are there in your branch?
I have 4 officers in my branch. And total team of 50.
4 officers. Clerical staff?
Clerical is 2.
Only. Acha, you have armed guard and all that?
Armed guard is not there, but the guard is there. Armed guard is not.
Arm is not there, God is there. I understand the problem. What is the total area of your office, area-wise?
1,000 square feet.
Bas.
It is a small branch I am having.
I know. 1,000 square feet only. Are you in ground floor or first floor?
Ground floor.
तब तो बढ़िया है. आपका ऊपर में क्या है?
ऊपर it is vacant. Means it is for rent, but अभी rent लगा नहीं है वहाँ पे.
अच्छा. ठीक है. Good. No problem. What about the security arrangement and all, strong room and all, properly done?
Strong room is there and it is properly as per RBI guidelines.
With which bank? Utkarsh Small Finance Bank. With which insurance company Utkarsh Small Finance Bank has taken blanket insurance policy? Are you aware of this concept? Perhaps not.
No, sir. I do not know about this blanket insurance.
Please check up kar lijiye. Say banks, they take a blanket insurance policy for covering the risks in all the bank branches. Say cash, then theft, burglary, etc. in the bank branches. It is all covered under one policy only with some insurance company. In Indian Bank, we used to take with United India Insurance.
Okay, sir.
So there is no need for it. I am sure you have not taken any separate fire insurance policy for your office because it is all covered under blanket insurance. उसका बारे में आपको circulars होगा, उसको पढ़ लीजिए.
Okay, sir. Okay.
That's right. Now, what strategies do you adopt to improve your business?
Sir, mainly strategy is we used to adopt this onboarding technique very diligently. Say when we used to open saving account or current account, we onboard it digitally with us. We get its debit card activated on time. We do onboarding of net banking, mobile banking, WhatsApp banking to them so that they can readily use our bank and keep balances with us. And finally, we used to add the cross sell our banking products RD, FD, so that they are attached with us. And also we encourage customer
Good.
to
Good. Nice. Good. ये थोड़ा जोर से बताना है. Everything was
Yes, sir.
nice, but थोड़ा रात 9 बजे हो गया ना, इसलिए थोड़ा डल हो गया आपने. थोड़ा हैप्पी से बात करना है, ठीक है?
Yes.
You are answering very well. कोई चिंता नहीं. Only thing is थोड़ा that happiness should be exhibited.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So I know. Supposing you think you are talking to your own very important customer of your branch, जितना जोर से happy से आप बात करेंगे, ठीक है?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ऐसा बात करना है. Good, very good. I'm happy about the answer you gave. Now, how will you evaluate your staff members and how will you motivate them?
So, sir, I used to motivate them actually by actually we used to do daily morning huddles in which daily what business they are doing, what good practices they have adopted in operations, and we used to highlight in morning huddle, and then a small reward of say a chocolate is given to them so that they feel motivated throughout the day.
Good. Supposing you evaluate your group as a whole, how much will you evaluate on a scale of 0 to 10?
So, sir, I evaluate them to a scale of 8.
Achha, 8. Good. Why not 9 or 10?
Sir, actually, nobody is perfect as a whole. No group is perfect. But
Correct.
yes, we keep on learning daily and trying to prove our.
Very good. That's right. See, you are. Who is your chairman? Utkarsh Small Finance Bank. Where is your headquarters? Even that I don't know. Sorry.
Sir, Utkarsh Bank is headquartered at Varanasi only.
Achha.
And my, MD and CEO is Shri Govind Singh.
He is from which bank? He was working in which bank?
He was in ICICI Bank, and then he started microfinance and eventually got this banking license.
Oh, he himself started microfinancing. Good. In your branch, do you have microfinancing? No.
No, in my branch, microfinance is not there. That is mainly microfinance branches are different and they are located at rural places.
Good. Excellent. Now, do you give, I think your concentration is only on priority sector advances. 75% advances are priority sector, correct?
Yes, actually, a small finance bank concept is only for this 75% priority sector, and this they used to give 50% of loan size below 25 lakhs ticket size.
Oh. So that means you are not interested in home loans and all that.
We used to do home loans. We are doing home loans. We are doing LAP. We are doing personal loans also. But
Acha, amount is
in
less.
not open to all branches. In certain branches.
Very good. That's nice. You are not giving in all branches, only in a few branches you are giving. Good. Now, how will you rate the NPA in your branch? When was the branch started? 6 months back only, before your joining.
Branch started 2 years back.
So now what is the NPA position?
NPA is around 2%. NPA is there.
2%, 2 to 3%. Good. What steps are you taking to reduce them?
Well, actually, we are going to customers to motivate them to get their loans fulfilled.
So that they can avail again. They can avail. That is the only way by which we can do it. For example, the SSG concept is, yeah, that's right.
Also, we are telling them that they will giving loans, then they will not be able to take further loans from any other bank. Their credit history will be ruined. So it's better not to take that step.
Good. So if you take if you classify it as NPA, their score will come down. CIBIL score and all. Achha, do you check up CIBIL score and all before giving personal loans?
Yes, sir. We check CIBIL scores. Also, we check in Hunter.
What is that? What is the name?
Hunter application.
Hunter application. The CIBIL score above what is good in your case?
So, sir, in say in what we are giving in working capital, we used to consider cases above 600 with certain approvals, and 700 and above we readily used to give loans. 700 and above are good scores, and if a customer is having 600 and above also, then certain level approvals are there. If we take, then we can proceed further.
Good. Do you have locker facility in your small finance bank? No.
In our bank, locker facility is there, but in my branch it is not there because it is a small branch.
How much is your gold loans? Jewel loan?
Gold loan is not there. Gold loan is not.
Not there. In your branch? Why? गोल्ड लोन में तो बहुत पैसा आएगा और बहुत इंटरेस्ट आएगा ना आपको स्मॉल फाइनेंस में होता है नहीं होता
है सर स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं ये लोग बट अभी स्टार्ट गोल्ड लोन नहीं
because of course only thing is you have to be very careful about selection of appraiser. You should be an honest fellow. If he is going to cheat you, then you will be in problem. That's simple. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now we will go to Bank of Maharashtra. Where is Bank of Maharashtra?
Sir, Bank of Maharashtra is headquartered in Pune.
Good. Now, will you be applying for Punjab National Bank and then what is that? Bank of India also now? You are applying for them also?
In my case, I will not be applying as I do not process 2 years regular MBA. So I will not be applying technically, but if I was having that eligibility,
then you can do. But no, but you for this answer, brief answer will be no. I won't be applying. Then if they ask why, then you explain I am not having the requirement qualifications or like that. And yeah, Punjab National Bank, they have asked credit officers. Credit officer, will you fit into that role? No. I think not.
That
because,
also.
Yeah, their requirements are more. They need something higher. Good. Bank of Maharashtra, you will get selected. You will get selected. And only problem is like this personal questions. How will you shift to other places? How will your family adjust to this? ये सबको आप confidently बताना है. Your parents are living with you?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Acha, what is your daddy?
He is retired at present. Retired government professional.
Retired government. Acha. Good. Excellent. Good, 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 good. Now, who is your finance minister in Varanasi? Hello,
Sir,
Var-
in
Bulgaria.
UP finance minister, I am unable to recall name
It's okay.
in UP.
No, I am asking because just
Hmm.
now elections took place. Then new ministry took charge.
Yes, yes, sir.
That is the reason. Good. Now, tell me about the happiest day you had so far.
So, sir, the happiest day was when my daughter was born.
Good. Very good. When was it? 3 years ago.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Excellent, excellent, excellent. Now, do you have any doubts or questions in your mind? Acha, how good are you in, say, credit analysis?
So, sir, in credit, I know the basic concepts and the ratios and how the appraisals are done.
Mhm. What is the procedure in your bank? You process them, everything, and everything is fed through online or through paper, hard
Uh,
copy.
It is in physical mode only, sir. We used to source file and then give to the separate credit team sitting in our branch, and they further process it centrally.
Good. It is processed. Very good. Very good. Excellent. You are answering very well. Now, some more questions. Ka matlab, what do you know about the recent monetary policy? In what way is it helpful for small finance banks?
So, monetary policies.
When was the last monetary policy meeting?
Sir, it was recently, sir.
April 8th.
Recently,
April 8th.
April 8th.
Usme,
Yes,
what is
sir.
the important new change that has come?
They introduced actually governor introduced this SDF facility.
What is that SDF?
uh, Standing deposit facility was introduced, which is very similar, which is has a similar nature to the reverse repo rate, but the only difference is in SDF securities are not taken, and in reverse repo rate securities are taken, uh, while bank keep funds with RBI. It was
And the interest
done.
rate is 3.75.
Yeah, and the interest rate is also higher, 3.75.
Acha. This Bank of Maharashtra interview will be in person or through online?
Through online only, sir.
Will you be attending from house only?
No, we have to go to their zonal center. So I will be going to Lucknow, most probably.
Very good. Badhiya, badhiya. Tab to badhiya hai, no problem. Good. Now, because you are not you are a commerce graduate, correct? Hello.
Sir, I'm a graduate.
You are a commerce graduate.
BTech, sir.
BTech. Acha, 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 acha. Good. कोई बात नहीं. No. Acha, you have studied PGDBIA.
PG,
banking.
postgraduate diploma in banking.
Acha. Very good. Then what is this certification? NISM AMFI? What is that?
Sir, that is mainly for distribution of mutual fund through branches.
Mhm.
Person has done ISM certification.
What is NISM?
The National Institute for Mutual Fund Association. Exact, I am not recalling that.
What is NCFM? Hello.
Sir, exact, not recalling it.
Not recalling it. What is IRDA?
Insurance deposit.
Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of
Insurance.
India.
Insurance Regulatory Development Authority.
Yeah, good. Can you name the no, I was about to ask you in small finance bank, what is the doesn't matter. Let the child come, no problem. Don't worry about it. See, it's very don't yeah. A last question for you. Tell me something
Yes,
about bank correspondence. Do you have bank correspondence?
yes, sir. We have banking correspondence
How
in our
many?
bank.
How many?
They are not attached, but in some branches they are attached. In fact, the channel is different. So in one branch, it is around 15 to 20 banking correspondents are there.
What is their role? How do they operate?
Actually, they operate through a mini ATM which we provide to them.
Mm.
From there, they can open accounts and also do banking transaction, accept deposits. They can accept deposits and they can also give back if some withdrawals to the customers whom they want by using Aadhaar authentications.
How do they carry cash with them for making payments? What is the procedure? Is it that every day they have to take cash and remit back to the bank, or what is the concept?
Actually, they do not carry cash. They do transactions only with what they receive. If
Mhm.
some customer is giving them cash, say 1 lakh rupees, then they use that cash only to remit it back to the customer.
Supposing at the end of the day, should he come and remit to your bank for that? What is the?
No,
Yeah,
at the end of at the
perhaps you don't know fully about it. Correct?
actually what happens is they remit it not to our bank but their nearby any bank.
Into your bank's account.
Into our bank.
I think you are not clear about that. थोड़ा verify कर लीजिए. Bank correspondence, because that is a very important concept for financial inclusion. So इसका बारे में आप जानने से बढ़िया है. As a manager, I want you to know that. Okay, very good. Otherwise, everything is fine. Do you get any questions in your mind to ask me? I will rate your performance, say somewhere around 8.5 out of 10. But I want you to score 9 because remember you are going to compete against young boys and girls.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you should not appear to be as an old person. You can't change your hairstyle. That's not in your hand. But फिर भी थोड़ा जो happy से जाइए, ठीक है?
Yes, sir. Yes.
But off the record live, supposing I ask, where is the need for a change? After all, your wife is working in UP. You are getting some money, not so high salary, but up you are going to be within Uttar Pradesh. Where is the need for a change?
So actually the job security which I am looking for.
Acha, acha. Anyhow, doesn't matter. God bless you. Um, you will
Sir,
be you will get the job only provided you go with more confidence. But
Yes.
right now, you appear to be slightly hesitant in opening up and all that. पता नहीं
Yes.
क्यों? थोड़ा देख लीजिए, ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
Don't have. I know you have tension about the child coming and disturbing you and all that, but in real interview it will not be there. No problem. Do it comfortably. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Now, do you get any questions in your mind now?
Yes, sir. एक ये चीज पूछनी है सर, जैसे कि हम लोग जो है कोर्स करके फाइल करते हैं तो क्या क्या क्वेश्चन सर एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं कि क्या पूछा जा सकता है और ओडी के रिगार्डिंग?
It will be only related to your job that you are now doing and what you will be expected to perform in Bank of Maharashtra. Now they will ask, that is why I am asking questions relating to your own field, your own branch. समझ गया? And
Yes.
in Bank of Maharashtra, you will be posted as a branch manager. As a branch manager, how are you going to improve the deposit? How are you going to improve the advances? What are the extra skills you have? This is what they would like to get. And the question I asked you about how will you motivate others, उसमें और भी थोड़ा जोर से बोलना है. I encourage them by identifying their skills and interesting the job suitable for them. And then I will also give positive strokes to them to feel happy, something like that. And I will not show my anger to them whenever they do some mistakes also. I'll give the feedback objectively. Some such thing, थोड़ा मसाला ऐड करके बताना है.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
That's all. Yeah. Varanasi, I remember we visited way back in 1978.
Okay, sir. Long back.
Were you born at that time? No.
No, no, sir.
1978. The only place I have in my mind is that Ghat near that Shankaramat. You know, Shankaramat. They have a say chow tree, and that in that lane at the end, we had a milk or dahi wala, motha wala, and he used to give very tasty doi and all that. That's what I remember. Nothing else stays in my mind. And barring that, certain other things that we see in movies and only, like that guards being not, of course, now guards are all maintained nicely after Modi ji becoming MP.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now security has been enhanced very much.
Now things are all good. How many times have you visited Kashi Vishwanath temple?
Many times, sir.
Many times. Last time, when did you visit?
Around 2 months back.
Good. Again, visit before the interview if you can.
Yes, sir. Yes,
and pray on my behalf also.
Ekdam, sir. Sure, sir.
Best wishes. And which date is your interview?
Right now, date has not come, but I think it will be
First
around
week.
17th, 18th May.
अच्छा उतना देरी हो जाएगा.
List of the dates is yet to come.
Anyhow, doesn't matter. Best wishes. You read. Did I give you the link for materials? General banking materials. Yes, दिया
Yes.
है. उसको भी पढ़ लो जी. ठीक है?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Best wishes. Otherwise,
Okay.
I have no complaints or no extra suggestions for you. You are doing well. You are doing well, and I'm sure you will succeed. God bless you. And
Okay,
after
sir,
the
thank
interview, kindly send me the list of questions.
you. Sure, sir. Sure. Yes.
And if you study more, if you learn more, and you want to take another mock, you can come to me later on if at all you want.
Yes, sir.
It depends. It depends.
Before the 1 or 2 days interviews, before 1 or 2 days,
Okay.
I will be taking suggestions again.
Yeah, 2 days or 3 days before this thing. अभी current affair पूछने से आपको मन में क्या क्या आएगा? Current affair relating to banking पूछने से क्या क्या मन में आएगा? इसलिए आप थोड़ा आप economic times आज से पढ़ना है.
Yes, sir. Yes.
ठीक है? Prepare कर दीजिए.
Yes.
Best
Okay,
wishes.
sir. Thank you,
I'm
sir.
happy. 8.5 out of 10.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. I will be improving in this
Yeah.
10 at least.
No. Yeah, you are doing it, and you are an engineering graduate, ICSCI. Only thing is that changing over, you tell them that you will be continuing with Bank of Maharashtra.
Yes, sir.
Best wishes. Thank you. Bye. Acha, is it okay to use this in our video, or you are having some problems or reservations?
No, I do not have any problems.
Good. That should be the confidence. Best wishes. God bless you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.